Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Beancurd sticks are product of soybeans which are soaked, ground, and then boiled in water. After being heated for a period of time, a thin skin is formed on the surface which can be skimmed off and dried into a stick or sheet. Today I'm going to use these dry beancurd sticks to make a simple dish in garlic and soy sauce. Beancurd sticks can be found in most Asian grocery stores, and they have a very long shelf life. You can store a few bags in your pantry and prepare at your convenience. The only drawback is that they may need a few hours to rehydrate properly. Soak them in cold water. Warm water will help to speed up the process. However, I don't recommend using hot water. It's difficult to achieve a consistent softness. Outside is too soft, while inside is too hard. Beancurd sticks float in water, resulting in uneven water absorption. Place some weight on top, such as a plate, to hold them down, or regularly turn them over by hand. When they are soft enough, cut into about 3-inch pieces. The middle part is relatively harder because it's compacted when hung to dry. While they are soaking, we can make the sauce. 4 large or 8 small garlic cloves, mince them. 3 green onions, chop 2 into small rings, and julienne cut the other for garnish. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a saucepan. Brown half of the minced garlic over medium heat. When it's done, turn off the heat and add in the remaining garlic. You can pour hot oil directly on the garlic and save the sauteing step. However, sauteing garlic can increase the aroma and reduce its strong pungent taste. So, combining raw and cooked garlic gives the best taste. Half a teaspoon of paprika pepper. It has a mild taste and gives the sauce some red color. If you like hot, add half of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper as well. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce. This size is good for about 5 ounces of dry beancurd sticks, mixed in with the chopped green onions. At last, add 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. By the way, you can use any of your favorite store-bought sauces. Beancurd sticks have little taste and go well with any of them. Rehydration is done when the beancurd becomes soft. The middle part may be harder, but should still be soft. Discard the soaking liquid and rinse them in clean water. Then drain. Bring a pot of water to boil. Add in the hard pieces and cook for a few minutes first. Then add the remaining beancurds and cook for 3 to 10 minutes, depending on your preferred softness. Press and drain out as much water as possible. No need to rinse in cold water if you are serving hot. Mixed in with the sauce, and it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.